Built-in types string methods are split. Separator is equal to none, comma max split is equal to -1. Return a list of words in the string using separator as the delimiter string. If max split is given, at most max splits are done the rightmost ones. If sep is not specified or none, any white space string is a separator, except for splitting from the right. R split behaves like split, which is described in detail below. Split. R split. Separator is not given, so rightmost this one. A A B B C C A A B B C C A A B B C C separator. If separator is given A, for example, then blank B B C C, okay, B B C C D B C C D, L is the last one, space L, and then CC VB, comma, then A is removed, then DD CC BB, comma, then CC BB, A is removed, then empty. Okay. R strip. Return a copy of a string with trailing characters removed. The character chars argument is a string specifying the set of characters to be removed. If omitted or none, the chars argument default to removing white space. The chars argument is not a suffix, rather all combination of its values stripped. For example, this one, if I pass this one, so our chars is I P Z, so this will be removed, this will be removed, P, this will be removed, Z is not, so output will be this. Let me run it. Here you see. Now split. R split we already saw. So return a list of words in the string using sep as the delimiter string, and max split is given. At most max splits are done, thus the list will have the at most max split plus one element. If max split is not specified or -1, then there is no limit on the number of splits. All possible splits are made. If sep is given, consecutive delimiters are not grouped together and are deemed to delimit empty strings. For example, 1 comma 2 1 comma 2 dot split comma returns 1, then blank, and then 2. The sep argument may consist of multiple characters. For example, 1 less than greater than 2 less than greater than 3 dot split less than greater than returns 1 2 3. Splitting an empty string with a specified separator returns this. Example: this will return 1 2 3, right? And max split 1, this will return only 1, right? 2 3 is not splitted out. And this one 1 2 comma 3, split this 1 2 empty string, 3 empty string, 1 2 empty string, 3 empty string, right? If separator is not specified or is none, a different splitting algorithm is applied. Runs on consecuting white space are regarded as a single separator, and the result will contain no empty strings at the start or end. If the string has leading or trailing white space, consecutively splitting an empty string or a string consisting of just white space with a none separator returns this. For example, let's split this one. It will return 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Let's split max split 1, separator is not given. This will return 1 2 3, right? And then this one, if I provide this one, separator is not given, so 1 2 3, let's see, I'm not sure. 1 2 3, yeah, white spaces are removed. So this is about split. Now split lines. Keep ends is equal to false. Return a list of the lines in the string. Breaking at line boundaries. Line breaks are not included in the resulting list unless keep ends is given and true. This method splits on the following line boundaries. In particular, the boundaries are a superset of universal new lines. Representation. Line feed backslash r backslash n backslash r carries return backslash r backslash n carries return plus line feed backslash v or backslash x0b line tabulation backslash f or backslash x0c form feed backslash x1c file separator backslash x1d group separator backslash x1e record separator backslash x85 next line c1 control code backslash u2028 line separator backslash u2029 paragraph separator changed in version 3.2 backslash v and backslash f added to the list of line boundaries. For example, this one, split lines A B C backslash and backslash and D E F G backslash R K L R N. So split this one A B C D E F G K L. A B C empty string D E F D E F G. Why this empty string K L? Split lines. Yeah, here empty. Correct. Here backslash n split one split, then nothing empty, then this split, and then this is split, and then this is split. Let's do keep ends true. Split lines keep ends true. This times ABC N D F R K R this one. Okay, got it. Starts with str dot starts with prefix start end. Return true if a string starts with the prefix, otherwise return false. Prefix can also be a tuple of prefixes to look for, with optional start test string beginning at that position with optional and stop comparing string at that position. A B B C C D D E E F F dot starts with mm, prefix starts with A. It's true. It's true. Start with AAD. It's false. If I say start at 4 and end at length of end at 10, not end close, false. If I say 0, start at 0, it will find and return true. Strip. Strip chars. Str.strip chars. Return a copy of the string with the leading and trailing characters removed. The chars argument is a string specifying the set of characters to be removed. If omitted or none, the characters argument defaults to removing white space. The chars argument is not a prefix or suffix, rather all combinations of its value are stripped. For example, WWC COM, this will be removed, dot will be removed, WWW will be removed, dot will be removed. Okay, example will be only the string remaining. So this is about strip. The outermost leading and trailing chars argument values are stripped from the string. Characters are removed from the leading end until reaching a string character that is not contained in the set of characters in chars. A similar action takes place on the trailing end. For example, this one. Thanks.